Yeah, I forgot. It's okay. I think my guess was the priority train. How big? No, it's not priority. I heard the train. Good, I did. I'm glad I did. They're not honking. They're nice. I think it's a priority train. It's 117. Stop. My God. I didn't know there was a thing. It's a horn silly. Not Baker. I think it's 117. Priority train. That's funny. Yes, I'm right. That's a priority train. It's not Baker. I want to ski there. It's fun. So that's a priority train. I didn't know, but that was all good. That's a priority train. Bumpy tracks. Don't laugh when I film. Don't say bad words. So make it worse. CN bus. Canadian Tire. I believe. It only had one gen engine. I was like, it was the train.